That's how you do it, Chloe. Boom.
We made it to the vet. Phase 1 initiated.
It is so good. It's so good. Good boy.
Holy shit! I have literally no idea how we got those 3 in, but phase 2 has commenced.
These first two will be 2 years old.
They had a cowboy on site, lifted Clem into the trailer by her from underneath, stuck his hand up there. You get what I'm saying? Ooh! All right, 6 cows vaccinated, checked out. Let's go home. Come on, girl. Okay, we're back home. All really tired and hot. All in all, they did really good. I'm proud of my children. You want to see the damages done in the process? Got a busted stable. Don't even know when this happened or how. Blown the fuck out. And we've got the gate that Sasha jumped. Yeah. Also want to make note that Chloe is our heaviest cow. She rang in at about 800 pounds. Cletus would have been our heaviest. Rip. I'm gonna count her as second. Thanks for watching. If anyone needs their cows taken to the vet, you know who to call. See ya.